Goons rolled up, buddy. Hey, buddy, how's it going? Hey, good. The goons rolled up here. A bunch of goons.
They just came now?
Oh, there's lunch in there already, but yeah,
I was watching live streams the whole way here.
Fuck.
Good, man, good. Kush. Kush. What's up, man? Good. This guy here, buddy. Got here? Oh, okay. Yeah, you missed a lot of action. Hey there, buddy.
Can I put my shoes on and go out?
No.
Why? Hello?
Because you're not supposed to be out here. Babe, step back.
It's parked. I can't see it.
Say bye-bye to Chateau Laurier.
Push me. Yeah. Oh, sorry, what was the channel again?
Kush Mason.
Kush Mason. All right. So he's informed us about
Scotty.
All right.
Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, have yourself a great day.
You too.
So,
take it easy. Ridiculous. What's up, dude? Oh, this whole time I've only seen cops blocking everything. Yeah, cop bikes, the only ones seem to be able to go by. That seems to be no worries. And it's like they're rubbing it in their faces. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Look at these ridiculous assholes. Yeah. Don't hit them with the flags. Yeah, they're trying to get somebody to hit them.
Going anywhere, at least for the moment. So,
yeah, I guess. Chateau Laurier. Flame out again. Ridiculous. I thought you wanted to come say hi. Now you're all shy. What's that about? The nice people of Ottawa came out.
If we can turn off the cameras and just have a drink together.
Pardon? Oh yeah? Again? Oh yeah, there they are.
Nice, huh?
Wow.
Because we're all criminals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the snipers up there. We'll try to zoom in. Yeah, they're not moving too much. There you go. Good to meet you. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah. Oh, so what was the channel again?
Kush Mason.
Kush Mason. All right.
Yeah.
So he's informed us.
Ottawa Scotty. All right. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, dude. Have yourself
awesome.
a great day.
You too. Take it easy.
Yeah, so easy.